Solve the simultaneous equations below. We have log y to base x is equals to 2, and then we have xy is equals to 8. Solution. Now, for us to solve the two equations simultaneously, we shall be required to convert the first equation, which is in logarithmic notation, to index notation. So how do we convert this equation in index notation? The equation will be written as x. We take the base raised to 2, so it will be x raised to 2 is equals to y. So this is equation 1. And then of course we have xy equals to 8. This one is equation 2. Now if y equals to x squared, so when there is y in the second equation, we substitute with x squared. Therefore here we have x times x squared equals to 8. So we have x cubed equals to, now we write 8 using its factors. It will be 2 times 2 times 2. So we have x cubed equals to 2 raised to 3. And because the powers are the same, we cancel them, cancel the powers. So x equals to 2. Now after getting the value of x, we can now get the value of y, because you know that y equals to x squared. Therefore y equals to 2 squared, which equals to 4. So the value of y is 4 and the value of x is 2. Thank you for watching and listening.